Coming true. So today I am picking up my Mercedes from auction. As you guys know, this is the Mannheim right next to the Hard Rock Casino. We are coming true on a Mercedes 2. You done know. There she goes, my Mercedes. Her name's Snow Bunny. You see it? You don't know. Straight from auction. Ready. I already put on my dealer plate and all. Before you leave with your car, you gotta go through this gate. Okay? You cannot come out of the auction without going through this gate. She is no longer an auction car, you guys. I was able to find another clean car. As you guys know, this is a BMW channel, so I'm pretty sure you're wondering, why is this Mercedes here? And the simple question is, I have it because I bought it for Turo. This is a C300 I bought for my Turo. It's going to be part of my Turo fleet. If you guys been keeping up, my last luxury car I had on Turo was a BMW 540. Unfortunately, they did crash the car. Unfortunately, but I was able to get this as a replacement. I saw this at auction and couldn't resist. It was a repossession. And it was for a good price. I couldn't say no to it, and I bought it. This car is actually very low mileage. I'm actually have become a little bit of a Mercedes guy because of this car, because it's very nice, very luxurious, and these C300s are actually pretty reliable. I mean, they're with any car, there's going to be little things here and there, you know, but these cars are pretty reliable. I was not liking the interior at first, but it actually grew on me. Pretty nice. It does come with the panel sunroof. Pretty exquisitely optioned and everything. It has heated seats. It has lane departure warning and things like that. It does have the wood grain. Yeah, I mean, for the year and miles and this generation, Mercedes did really knock out the park. These interiors are nice. They hold up very well too. This car only has 77,000 miles on it. Don't worry, you guys, I'm gonna actually start up the car for you guys can actually hear it and see everything. But it does have the upgraded sound system as well too. Show you guys the back trunk area. It actually has a lot of room, surprisingly. The back seats go down as well. Rear end looks really good. Like I said, the interior is really nice. It's like a beige interior, but it's not like a beige, you know? This is more like a quality-based beige, in my opinion. Let's see this here. And everything works on this car. There's nothing that does not work on this car. This is I think this chassis is the W205, they call it. Very, very nice. Like I said, I think Mercedes really did knock it out the park with this car. I think this generation was made from like, what, I know 2015 was the first year, and then they stopped production like around 22. So pretty long production. Let me open the hood for you guys so you guys can see the engine. Open up the hood, you see this big V12. I'm playing. This is a 4-banger, 4-cylinder turboed engine. It is pretty fast. I mean, it's not BMW fast, but it'll pick up. Yeah, I mean, like, it's pretty peppy. I think this comes with like around 200 and like what, 60 horsepower, something like that. But very good on gas as well. Mercedes has been making this 4-cylinder engine for quite some time. They had it in their previous generation. This is pretty much the updated version of the previous generation 4-cylinder. So yeah, very nice and potent. They don't give too many problems. Like I said, with any German car, they're gonna give some type of issue, but this one, pretty reliable. People see 200,000 miles pretty easily with just normal maintenance. Oh, I forgot to start the car for you guys. My bad. How dare I? Okay. So Mercedes still uses the traditional key. This does have the option for push button, but it didn't come with the car, so I probably have to buy that later on. But yeah, this traditional key, you put it in, you just turn it, and that's it. Volume buttons are on the side, pretty weird. But again, I'm probably used to BMW stuff, so. But yeah, 77,000 miles upon this thing. And it's idling and running beautifully. No lights on the dash whatsoever. But yeah, you guys, please like and subscribe to the channel for more content. I definitely gonna have some more content on this car. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I might do some little upgrades on the wheels and stuff. Who knows? But yeah, please like and subscribe to the channel. You guys will be seeing this on Turo. I will be linking the link in the description as well, if anybody wants to rent the car. Have a good one. Stay positive. You done know.